Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all having a great Friday. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review, so let's find out what is in this bag. Get it out of it. Baggie here. Now this kit, we only have one, comes from DPClubs. It is 56 by 44 and it was $18.79. Let me put those skizzers away and get it out of its lovely Joy Sunday bag and see what it is. Maybe. Always takes a hot moment. Feels like they're vacuum sealed in there. Alright, make sure I got it right side up. Look at all the things. This is called Colorful Bays. So we have boats and we have geese and we have houses and trees and flowers and we even have fish and more geese, and I think that's a fish right there. But yeah, oh, and we have a horse way back in there. But yeah, I just liked it. I think there's going to be a little bit of back stitching. I'm not sure how much at this point. Maybe enough to bring out some of these elements. But we will see. But isn't that pretty? Just looks like a lovely summer day, you know? Gorgeous. So, here is the booklet. Let's go to the back. Well, where's the rest of it? Okay. I think we only have one key. So we have a total... Nope, we got 2 keys. Total of 70 colors. Yep. So, and this booklet is broke down into 8 different parts. It is 266 stitches wide. 267 stitches wide and 200 high. Sorry, I needed a drink. I don't know why I'm so thirsty. So, yeah, which makes it a lot easier. And I guess there's a little more back stitching than I gave it credit for. Oh, we even have a teeny tiny butterfly, one there and one there. I don't see any others, but yeah. So, let's use this. We have full stitch, half stitch, back stitch, and French knot. And this key right here will go to the canvas. And the key over here and on this last page goes to the paper pattern. But we're going to use this to find out what colors we have. So we have 68 full stitch colors, and we have 310 black, 550 purple, and no 823, no 939, no 3371, and we're using B5200 for the white. So those are the only ones I really recognize. So we have 68 colors in full stitch, and we have 14 colors in half stitch, 1 in French knot, and 14 different colors in back stitch. So, wow. Yeah. But very nice pattern, or paper pattern I should say. So they kind of go around a few parts on the houses and a little bit of the stuff that's just kind of hanging fire, like out in the water, a little bit more on parts of the house. So it's nominal back stitching compared to some that I've seen before. And then we have some over here and some around the geese. Time, right on time. These are the names on the sides of the boat, so I have no idea how much that's all going to turn out. Now, they are back stitched in, so it should be easier to see, but I just don't know how big it's going to be. But very nicely done. Very easy to see where all these back stitching things are, and your symbols that you need. So let's take a look at the colors. Get it out of there. Whoops, sorry, didn't mean to hit the camera. Hold on, it just seems like you're sinking down here. All right, give it a shake. There are 3 thread cards. We're just gonna open them up so I can get a hold of them. It comes on the nice thread cards. I've explained those before. And it does have 2 needles, of which we're just gonna close it down so it doesn't escape in case we need it. Very pretty colors, kind of autumny on this little card. There is some mauve, I guess. Kind of a grayish blue here. Here's your B5200. And then over here, you know, when you look at it, it doesn't look particularly autumn. Like the trees look like summer more so than anything. And of course the water's not froze over. So we have some browns, tans, oranges, kind of teal colors. On that side, we have yellows, reds, and brick reds. Oh, that's 902. I should have known that. And this one. This is 814. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. Beautiful. Lots of different shades and variations on colors. So that should really make this whole thing more realistic and detailed. So beautiful colors. Thank you, Joyce Sunday. They always do such a good job at shading things when they're big things and it really counts. Let's take a look at the canvas. The canvas does not appear to be wet at all. It is going to be some there's going to be some confetti. Counterbalanced by some bigger areas. But yeah, but you want that. So that means it'll be more detailed. It is serged all the way around as typical for Joyce Sunday. This is 57 centimeters or a little over 22¼ inches by, if I can get it to lay down, it looks like 44 centimeters or 17¼ inches. Actual picture size is 14¼ inches or 36 centimeters, estimating here, and 48½ centimeters or 19 inches. So very nicely done. There is a lot in this. I'm trying to roll up my little thing so it doesn't go anywhere and get it out of my face, but I wanted to share with you how clear the pattern is. Nice, easy to see symbols. They're very well printed. Very nice. Just very nice, easy to see. You know, you can start out with that green and hop skip all over, and then go with the red lines and hop skip and just keep moving like that, and before you know it, you'll have a section all done. Now, I wanted to show you the key around the side. So these are this is your back stitch. This is your half stitch. It's always that symbol in different various shades. And then your regular stitches all come across here. But they're very big, nice, easy to see the thread card number, the symbol, and the DMC. And it does say how many stitches per stitch is along there. You turn it over. This is the rest of the regular stitches here, and more of your regular stitches go all the way around because, like I said, there's 68 colors in full cross, and this is your French knot. So nice, easy to see symbols on the canvas and down here, so you don't have to keep referring to the booklet. Sometimes I do when it comes to the half cross stitches. So yeah, they're a little tricky sometimes, but we'll see. I don't know. I think most of those halves are up in here maybe, because down here I'm only seeing full. And maybe somewhere in the trees. I'm just not sure. Just have to take it one thing at a time. But there are at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and possibly more going in the other way that are all half cross stitch for the background, which is typical of them. So it's very nice and easy. You know, when you get done with all this, it's like the last thing you want to do is full cross all the way, you know, cross for your sky. Yeah, I'm with them. Good job, Joy Sunday. Good job. I'm glad it wasn't wet. It's, whoops, just absolutely beautiful. Thank you, DPClubs. Now, if DPClubs has any specials or any discount codes, or if I think I have a 15% off discount code for DPClubs. It'll be at the beginning of the video and in the description box below. So do check that out. Now, DPClubs has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. And I'm not sure if they have beaded cross stitch yet, you know, any other than the little keychains. But they do try to keep up with everybody else, so I'm sure that they're there now. And I'm not sure about the silk part. So do check them out. Thank you, DPClubs, one more time. And thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.